Welcome, everybody. This is Craig Henderson. I'm the account specialist with Identity Software Solutions. Just want to give a couple of minutes to let everybody join in. Okay, perfect. Today, we're going to be discussing the configurations of Mobile Assist and how to set up the Mobile Assist application. Just briefly, Mobile Assist significantly enhances your mobile experience while using the ServiceNow Agent app. It centrally organizes all incidents, problems, changes, or any other similar tasks from any task table. Also, you can get critical mobile alerts of your choice from chosen task tables and SLAs. You can find organized upcoming SLAs, dashboards, reports, service portal, knowledge base, smart directory, and much more. Now, Mobile Assist is available completely free at the ServiceNow store. It is certified by ServiceNow. It's available completely free at the ServiceNow store, and we do offer free one-on-one sessions on Mobile Assist configuration. Today, I have Jay Patel from our technical team. He's our senior ServiceNow developer. We may also have Asha Huja. He's the principal consultant join us. Today, Jay is going to give a presentation, so I don't want to take too much time. I'm going to hand things over to Jay. If any of you do have any questions, please feel free to write them, and we'll try to answer all of them at the end of the presentation if we do have time. If not, we definitely will respond to you via email. So with that, I'm going to pass it over to Jay.
Thanks, Greg. Welcome, everyone. So as Greg mentioned, we'll be discussing about the configuration of Mobile Assist application. So just a brief introduction, Mobile Assist application, it just complements the ServiceNow Agent app. And the supported versions are New York, Orlando, and Paris. Okay, so we'll quickly go through the features of Mobile Assist application, and then we'll have the live demo on how to configure the application. So we have push notifications. So admins can easily configure the push notifications to be delivered to mobile for all the task tables, which is extending from the base task table, as well as for the SLAs. So we have a section in our app where we can manage tickets and SLAs for all the tables centrally from the mobile. So we have new features, reminders, bookmarks, and announcements. So these will like a user, these are the new features which are available in our mobile app. Okay. And we have dashboard area as well, like where we can view the published reports and dashboards directly from mobile. This will be helpful if we want to monitor the reports directly from mobile remotely. So we have smart directory to find organization users information and try to connect with them directly from mobile. And we also have service request and knowledge management access from mobile. So let's get started with the configuration, how to set up the Mobile Assist application. So the first step is we need to install the app from ServiceNow store. So this app is freely available in ServiceNow store. We just need to register and download the app. So for now, for today's demo, we'll be using a test environment. And we'll go through each steps, how we do that. So generally, like we have to once if you want to download the app from the store, we have to go here. So once we register from store.servicenow.com and we register this app, so it will be available to us in here. As we are using the test instance, so we'll just install it directly from our local repository. So, okay, it's loading. So yeah, mobile assist application. So while it gets installed, let me quickly share you the details of what we have in store. So if you just search with mobile assist, we'll find this app. Um, so we have all the details documented in the store, all the features, and we have documents as well, how to install the configuration. So all the steps which we'll be performing today, everything is documented and available in here, installation guide, as well as we upload these recordings in our website. So we have few other videos and documents related to mobile assist. So it's under identitysol.com MA user. So we'll find all the documentation. It is installing. So all the main key features, all the details we have documented in here. Um, okay, let's give it a minute so that it gets installed. Meanwhile, I think we can, I will just show the links what we have here. So in this we have details related to admin, how to configure. So related to our each feature, so we have videos on each features of mobile assist application. Okay, let's see if it has installed. Yes, so the application is installed now. So let's refresh the page. So once we install the app, we'll be able to see this application, mobile assist. So we have all these modules all were installed. Okay. Um, so our website link is available in here. So when we click here, it will take us to there. Okay. So let's go to the presentation and see what is our next step to configure. Okay. The next step is we need to install the app, ServiceNow Agent app in our mobile device, either from iOS Store or Google Play Store. Um, so once we install the app, so it will be available in this icon. Okay. So let's go ahead and check how the app looks. Okay. So we need to give the URL of our instance. So partner test 3 to 4. Okay. So we can log in. So it will prompt us for the authentication. Let's try to log in with admin and see how it looks. Okay, so this is our mobile assist. So once we log in into the mobile app, we will be seeing uh, these tabs. So one tab we see for mobile assist MA Global. It's called Mobile Assist Global. We have one MA Dashboard, MA Cases, and MA Announcement. So all these, all the sections which are starting with MA is all related to our mobile assist application. Okay. So in under MA Global, we have like ticket, SLA, all other features. So for dashboards, we have this section. For customer case management, we have this area, and for announcement. Okay. So we have configured our mobile app as well. Okay. So we have logged into the app and we are able to see. Right? So now let's try to configure the notifications and service portal and knowledge based user. So before that, let's try to create one test user so that we test it once we configure these notifications. Um, so let's try to pick one test user. Let's take this. So to access our mobile assist app, we need to provide mobile assist user role to the users. So let's go ahead and add that role to the ITIL user. Okay. Okay. So let's try to add one more role. This is not required for the actual configuration, just for the demo. Like we will have a demo on problem table. So that's why like I will just add problem manager role just to test the notification on problem table. Okay. Um, yeah. So let's try to go ahead and log in with this user in the mobile app. Okay. Yeah. So now we can see three sections only and notifications. Currently it's not configured. Settings. Okay. Um, so let's see what is our next step. So we can start configuring the notifications. Okay. And yeah. So under this mobile assist application, so we'll see a settings section. In this, we can we'll have a property to update our service portal suffix. So if this is the default service portal URL, so if you are using a custom service portal, so you can just provide that URL, and that portal will be available from mobile. So similarly for knowledge base, so this is the default knowledge base URL. So if you are using a custom knowledge base, we can add that URL that can be accessed in mobile. So these two, we have the section here like knowledge base and service portal. So based on these values, this will get redirected. So let's try to click on service portal. So it will take us to the default SP service portal. Okay. So the next setting is related to notifications. Um, so notifications are very easy to configure. So we can configure a notification, push notification on any table which is being extended from the base task table, and with very just by creating a record. Um, so let's try to create a notification on problem table. Uh, so we can create on any table, like all the tables which are being extended from base task table will be available in this selection. So we'll go ahead with the problem. So we'll have two types of notifications we can configure. Either if there is any assignment happening for a problem record, then the assignee will be notified. So to enable that, we just need to keep it enabled. And if you want to configure the notifications, if there is any comments or workload change happens, then we can leave this as enabled. So we can select either one. If you just want to have the notification for assignment routing, assignment notifications, so then we can just enable it. We also have option to add the conditions. Let's say we do not want to trigger notifications for low priority tickets, like low priority problems. Only where the priority is 1 or 2, then only we need to trigger the notification. So those conditions as well we can add. So any conditions on any attribute we can add. So let's, for the demo, let's add on priority. Now for us now, like the both the assignment and comments notification will be triggered only when the priority is 1 or 2. Let's go ahead and submit. We can configure the notifications for any table with our required filters. Okay, so we have configured these. Now the SLA notifications. So we can also configure the notifications for SLAs. So generally SLAs, it will use default workflow or any workflow which we have configured. So notifications will be available there. So we need to just add our push notification to the existing notifications only. So then our push notifications will be available in mobile notifications. So let's go ahead and add that our push notifications to the existing SLA notifications. So we have these SLA notifications. This one. So by default, I think these two will be in use. So whichever in use, we can add our notifications to them. Okay, it is loading. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, please type in your questions. We will pick up the questions at the end. Okay. Generally, it should not take much time, but not sure like why it's taking time to load. Um, okay, notification is open. So we have in this what it will contain section, we have this push messages. So we can just go ahead and add our MA. If you just type MA, our notification message will be available in the suggestions. So we just need to add this and save the record. So now whenever a warning message will be triggered as a normal email, when 50% SLA breach, 75% and 100%, 75%, so we also receive the push notifications. So let's go ahead and add the same for this one as well, SLA breached. Okay, so so we have completed all the configurations. Okay, so let's go ahead and test the um, notifications feature. So before going there, so we'll just show the list of all the notifications which we are providing as part of our application. Um, so if we come here in mobile assist, so email reminders, announcements, notification, push notifications, task, all these are there. So individual users, they can enable and disable the notifications whenever they need, uh, if they do not want to receive those notifications. Okay. Um, One more configuration we need to do. So by default, so all the notifications which we have added, it will not be available, like users, they have to go and enable generally. Um, but for all these, we provide out of the box, like no need to, and it will be enabled by default. Just for the SLAs, we need to perform that action. Um, for that, we need to go to push application. So we need to select this ServiceNow mobile application. So in this we see push default registrations. So we have all our notifications by default. So we just we can add the um, SLAs one as well. So that by default it will be enabled. Uh, okay. So we have completed all the configurations. Let's just try to check the configuration just by impersonating our test user, how the settings are configured for his account. So we go to notifications. As this is a new environment, like for him, the notifications are disabled for this user. Yeah. But this action is no need to perform on all the users. This is like in our user profile, we see notification enable disable option. Only for selected users, it will be disabled, they, like by default. So now we can just verify the app here. Right? It is enabled. So let's go ahead and test the application. Um, just let's try to log out and log in. Okay, let's go back to action or admin user. Okay, so just for the testing, let's go ahead and quickly create a SLA for problem table. Let's try to replicate which we have in incident. Let's just give 2 minutes just for our testing to see how the notification comes. Okay. Okay. Let's try to test out all our configurations. So we'll create a new problem record with high priority so that we test the SLA as well as our normal notifications. I think our test user is part of database. Okay. Okay. So we should receive a priority P1 SLA as well as we should receive a notification for assignment. Let's go ahead and submit this. So currently we see we have 13 records in here. So one entry should increase here. We should see 14 and we should see an increase in count in here as well. Currently we see one SLA is not breached. Okay. Let's refresh. Right now we can see there is a 14 task and one SLA is running. See, so this is the push notification we just received. So this is for assignment. Ticket has been, we can access from our notification bar as well, or we can access from here, our notification section. Problem ticket has been assigned to you. So the configurations which we have created a record. So this record which we have created for priority 1 and priority 2. So this record has triggered this notification. Okay. So this is the SLA notification we just received, like 50% SLA has breached. So we should receive other SLA notifications as well. Okay. So right, we see here the percentage is also increasing. Now we should receive one more notification for 75%, right? We have received one notification for 75% as well. And soon it should breach, and yeah, now if you see, it is moved now to breach section. SLA is breached now. So this is our problem record. So that's why like we will be, and this record will be available in this breach section of SLA. Right now we have received a breached notification as well. Okay. So we can access the notifications from here. Okay. Or if we are not there in our mobile app, if we are outside, then if we can directly take action on these Let's say I have received this notification. So if I just click, it will take me to that particular record, right? So from here I can view all the details of the record. We can see the work notes, activity stream, related lists, everything. So this is the our notification features. So it's very easy to configure. Yeah, I think we have completed the configurations part. Everything. I think we can take up the questions if you have any.
Okay, just let me see here. I think we had a couple of questions coming in. Okay, yes, we have two questions. The first one we have is, does mobile support multi-factor authentication?
Okay. Yes. So yes, mobile supports the multi-factor authentication. So currently for our today's demo, we use the just local login, but it can also support MFA as well. So all the
O-
documentations, it is available in docs.servicenow.com.
Okay, perfect. And we have one more, and they want to know, will Mobile Assist app be supported on future ServiceNow releases?
Yes. So we continuously we try to update the app by adding new features and um, try to support it in all future ServiceNow releases. So currently, these are all our current features. So we have so many new features which are in pipeline. So those will also be coming into the app along with all the supported versions of coming like new versions of ServiceNow.
Okay, perfect. Jay, thank you so much for the presentation. Everybody, thank you for joining. Just to let you know, we also have a few more apps in the ServiceNow store, and we'll have some upcoming webinars for those as well. Also, want to mention that we offer free setup installation, and we also have one-on-one sessions. Of course, that's completely free. Please feel free to reach out to us. The email is support@identitysol.com. And once again, thank you, everybody. Have a great day.